Most people think stopping power requires gunpowder. These 13 weapons, all legally available on Amazon, prove that assumption completely wrong, and number 1 generates more energy than most hunting rifles. Number 13. CO2 Blowback BB Pistol. Before dismissing this as a starter entry, understand what modern CO2 blowback pistols actually are. These fire steel BBs at velocities up to 450 feet per second using compressed CO2 cartridges, with a slide that cycles back with each shot exactly like a real firearm. The recoil is realistic enough that law enforcement agencies use these for scenario-based training. Some models are identical in weight and feel to their powder-burning counterparts, which is precisely the point. You get genuine trigger control and target acquisition practice for pennies per shot. At close range, the velocity is absolutely sufficient to penetrate thin materials and deter an attacker. Number 12. Garmo Swarm Whisper. The Swarm Whisper looks modest on paper, a .22 caliber break barrel rifle, until you understand what separates it from every other break barrel available. Traditional break barrel rifles are single shot. The Swarm Whisper has a 10-round rotary magazine, meaning you fire 10 rounds as fast as you can break the barrel and chamber the next. In a defensive situation, that is 10 opportunities to stop a threat without reloading. It does all of this at 1,250 feet per second, while the Whisper suppression technology reduces the report to something neighbors mistake for a pellet gun. The IGT gas piston system delivers consistent velocity on every shot and requires no CO2, no pumping, no charging. Break it, load it, shoot it. Number 11. Crosman DPM SSBR Full Auto. Full auto from a non-powder weapon. The Crosman DPM SSBR fires in either semi-auto or full auto mode at 1,400 rounds per minute using CO2. Faster than many military firearms, the 25-round magazine empties in a hail of steel BBs that absolutely shred cardboard, thin wood, and aluminum at close range. It is built on a legitimate DPMSAR platform, which means it accepts real AR accessories, red dots, tactical lights, foregrips, slings. If it fits on an AR-15, it fits on this with none of the associated regulations. Number 10. Lancehead F1 Crossbow. Crossbows have been taking down game and ending conflicts for 1,000 years, and the Lancehead F1 brings that ancient kinetic energy into a modern tactical package. It fires bolts at 350 feet per second with 80 pounds of draw weight, enough to punch through a deer's ribcage at 40 yards. Hunters use these for deer, hogs, and black bear across multiple states where wildlife agencies specifically approve crossbow use for big game. The kill is silent and ethical, the bolts are reusable, and the red dot sight gives you fast target acquisition. One advantage crossbow bolts have over bullets: you can retrieve them and shoot again. Number 9. OS-APB-4SP. The OS-APB-4SP is a Russian-made tactical pistol that fires .43 caliber rubber balls, pepper balls, or paintballs using CO2 power, and the rubber ball description understates the reality considerably. These projectiles leave the barrel at over 300 feet per second and are documented to cause broken ribs, massive bruising, and immediate incapacitation. Load it with pepper balls, and you have a chemical agent that will have an intruder gasping and incapacitated within seconds. Security companies worldwide use these for crowd control. Home defenders choose them for stopping power without the legal exposure of a lethal shooting. 4 rounds in a revolver-style cylinder, all metal construction, serious weight. Number 8. Hatsan Velux. The Hatsan Velux is a .22 caliber spring piston rifle that launches pellets at over 1,000 feet per second. Supersonic, meaning you hear the crack as the pellet breaks the sound barrier. At that velocity, this rifle is lethal to medium-sized game out to 75 yards. Coyotes, foxes, groundhogs, ethical kills on all of them. The quiet energy integrated suppressor reduces the massive report to a loud whisper. The adjustable 2-stage trigger and precision barrel allow shooters to stack pellets on top of each other at 50 yards. And crucially, spring piston requires nothing but pellets. No gas, no batteries, no compressed air. In a survival scenario, that means consistent use as long as you have ammunition. Number 7. FN-303 Tactical. FN Herstal, the company that makes weapons for NATO forces, designed the FN-303 for riot control and less lethal military operations. Less lethal does not mean harmless. This semi-automatic launcher fires .303 caliber projectiles via compressed air from a 15-round drum magazine at 300 feet per second. You can load it with impact rounds, pepper projectiles, marking rounds, or CS gas capsules. Impact rounds hit with enough force to crack bones. Multiple documented hospitalizations exist in police reports. The pepper and CS variants will incapacitate an entire room in seconds. Police and military units worldwide deploy these for crowd dispersal and suspect control, and civilians can legally own them in many areas. Number 6. Bintac AE, a harpoon. The Bintac AE, a harpoon, is chambered in .50 caliber and designed for exactly one application: underwater hunting and land-based big game. This PCP-powered rifle fires harpoon-style spears and heavy slugs capable of taking down large fish, alligators, and wild hogs. It generates over 200 foot-pounds of muzzle energy, more than many handguns, from a .50 caliber projectile with the mass and penetration to match. There is nothing else quite like this in the non-powder category. Number 5. Benjamin Bulldog. The Benjamin Bulldog in .357 caliber has become the benchmark for big-bore air rifle hunting. Wildlife agencies in multiple states have approved it for big game hunting, deer, hogs, coyotes, at ranges exceeding 100 yards. It generates over 230 foot-pounds of energy, firing heavy hollow-point pellets at 900 feet per second that expand on impact and create large wound channels. 5-round magazine, bullpup design for compactness, and whisper quiet with the included suppressor. No gunpowder means cleaner operation and consistent accuracy. Number 4. Hudson Hercules Bully. 300 foot-pounds of energy from compressed air. The Hudson Hercules Bully in .45 caliber exceeds many traditional rifle calibers in raw impact energy, and hunters are taking these on safari, harvesting large game with documented ethical results. The .45 caliber slugs are devastating on impact. 2-stage power adjustment means you can tune it down for small game or increase it for larger animals. The 10-shot magazine gives you strong follow-up capability in a compact bullpup design. Number 3. Umarex Notos .22 PCP Carbine. The Umarex Notos uses pre-charged pneumatic technology, high-pressure air stored at 3,000 psi, to fire .22 caliber pellets at over 700 feet per second with rifle-grade accuracy. Shooters report 1-inch groups at 50 yards consistently. The reservoir holds enough air for 20 to 30 powerful shots before needing a refill via hand pump or scuba tank. Magazine fed, compact, and very quiet. Because it produces no gunpowder signature, it can be used in areas where traditional firearms are restricted. Number 2. Umarex Hammer. The Umarex hammer in .50 caliber generates over 700 foot-pounds of energy, more than a .44 Magnum revolver, from an air-powered rifle. The .50 caliber slugs weigh up to 550 grains and impact with enough force to take down extremely large animals. It has been used successfully on elk, moose, black bear, and bison. The carbon fiber tank rated at 4,500 psi provides 4 full power shots before a refill. No gunpowder, no primers, purely compressed air. Number 1. Air Force Texan. The Air Force Texan is the most powerful production air rifle on the planet, available in .357, .457, and .50 caliber, generating over 800 foot-pounds of energy in its largest configuration. That exceeds many hunting rifles. The Texan has documented ethical results on major North American game, deer, elk, hogs, bear, bison, and has also been used internationally with similar performance. It is widely available, requires no traditional firearm licensing in many regions, and ships directly. The single-shot design is not a limitation when you are sending a 200-grain slug at 1,000 feet per second. You rarely need a second shot. 800 foot-pounds from air. That is where this list ends. 13 weapons, 0 gunpowder, all legally available and widely accessible. Drop a comment telling us which one surprised you the most. Check the end screen right now for more gear breakdowns waiting for you.